everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today video, I'm going to show you how to create and run a simple Python program using just your phone, no computer needed. We'll be learning about arithmetic operators in Python, things like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponentation. So let's begin. First, first you need a Python app on your phone. If you don't have one yet, go to the Play Store and download an app called PyDroid 3. It's free and easy to use. Once, once you open the PyDroid 3 app, tap on your editor area and type this code. This program has two variables, a and b. A is equal to 10 and b is equal to 3. Then we perform different arithmetic operations using these operators. Let's quickly explain what each operator does. The plus signs add the numbers. The minus sign subtract them. The asterisk multiplies them. The slash divide them. The percent sign gives the remainder after division. And the double asterisk means exponentation or raised to the power of. So now let's run it. To run your program, just tap the play button or the triangle icon at the top of your screen. After that, you see the result upper at the bottom. That's your program output. Here what the output look like. And that's it for this tutorial. You'll learn how to write and run a Python program with arithmetic operators using only your cell phone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding lessons you can do anytime or anywhere. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.